just when I freaking thought winter was done, but no. Had to came back with 6 inches. You can see the freaking grass in our field, so gotta throw on the plow, or 6 centimeters, I mean. Throw on the plow and then just do a couple quick runs. All right, so first let's turn this. So basically, it's pretty freaking easy. You know, these line up right here. You just lift this up and then get these pins. And then just put them through. You know, pretty easy. We had to mount this bracket, but we're good to throw it on. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it around just to fit it in. But pins in there, so now I gotta do that side. And you can see some of these bolts are kind of bent back because when I go in the forest, you know, I go over stumps. But the bracket's good. Right, so just turn that tire so I can get in there, and then we'll do that one. Not gonna lie, it kind of sucks doing it by myself because I'm just a kid trying to do it. It's like I wedged a piece of wood under there, and then you just hook your winch up through this hole, and then you can like change which way the blade goes with this. You just pull it down and then move the blade. All right, so that's all hooked up. So just pull in the winch. So right now I have it angled that way, or it's either that way or straight. No, it's straight right now. So no, it's angled. It's angled. And then yeah, these little guys down here make it so you're not pushing gravel because all the ice melted. So those help a lot with not pushing gravel. When we're pushing snow, it's all wet and heavy, packed. So we keep her in low, and works great. Those things on the bottom, I don't know what they're called. They work pretty good because it leaves a little bit of snow, so you don't scrape up the gravel. But if you have an asphalt driveway, then you probably don't need them as much. Even in four-wheel drive, the ice gets you sometimes. So we just turned it around and pushed it into the grass here. So we're done for the most part on the driveway. Works pretty good. You know, it doesn't get everything.